Activism ain't terrorism. I stand ready for trial. I answer ready for trial. On November the 26th, 2024, I got a trial. All right? A trial about activism. Activism ain't terrorism. You feel me? I'm talking about mass incarceration in your prison industry. All right? Mass incarceration in your prison industry. Traded the penitentiary for the plantation, cotton for cocaine, and you made our black community the cash crop. This is the learning tree. All right? And on this date, October the 26th, we're going to have a trial. We're going to have a court date. That's Judge Badar. Judge Badar. All right? See the date? 2023. Judge Badar got this. That's me. I'm an activist. I'm a cook. That's the Baltimore Orioles. The world is watching Baltimore, and I'm going to give them something to see. And I'm going to give them something to see where it started at, in a court of law. That's Ivan Bates. See the date? 2020 what? Yeah. I'm a Weaver in Baltimore. 2021 Weaver Award. We're going to have the FBI tapes. We're going to play the files like Watergate. That's David Smith. David Smith gave Ivan Bates a lot of money during the campaign to beat Marilyn Mosby. David Smith also demonized Marilyn Mosby and demonizes black people all the time. That's Ivan Bates. And this is Parole and Probation. Like I said, I'm making a movie about being black in America. The prison industry. That's the Maryland Volunteer Lawyers for the Arts. We're going to play these tapes like Watergate. That's the learning tree. All right? I'm going to start from the back and go to the front. That's Judge Karen. All right? That's Chief Judge Mary Barbera. That's Tony Roberts from the Baltimore Sun. That's Kaylin Young. That's Natisha, the State Public Defender's Office. That's Xavier Conway. All right? Xavier Conway. And that's Dante Hickman. All right? That's Dante Hickman. And that's President Trump. And this is the dissent decree. And right here in the dissent decree, it says, First Amendment, protected activities, community policing, all right? Protesting is covered under this too. I got stickers because I'm stuck to you. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. That's Dwayne G. Davis, whistleblower. Ain't no law against making a movie. That's Mr. Fields, 2012. And Johnny Oleski told y'all I was doing this. That's Judge Badar and the 14th Amendment. All right? That's Chief Judge. That's Chief Justice. And that's the Department of Justice. All right? Like I said, First Amendment rights. And this who got this. So at this court date, at this trial, I need all that evidence. That's Governor Westmore. That's Anthony Brown. That's Attorney Ivan Bates. All right? Police Commissioner Worley. Senator Ben Cardin. Mayor Brandon Scott. I need all this information for that trial, that court date. Because you the state's attorney and you had this long before I got locked up. I'm a whistleblower on the courts. And everything that you got to turn over. We want to see it. You feel me? We want to see it. And if you go to Dr. K, that's Dr. K, WEEA Radio. All right? The voice of the community. That's Dr. K. She got this. Dr. K spoke at Ivan Bates' inauguration. You feel me? So we're going to go about full circle with this. The making of black America. You traded the penitentiary for the plantation, cotton for cocaine, and you made our black community the cash crop. Black votes matter, and our voice is going to be heard in 2024. We're going to end Jim Crow. That States Attorney Nearham tells y'all's making a movie. This is me. See that? Cocaine, marijuana. All right? Waukegan Police Department. Testman, Dwayne Shorty Davis. All right? That's from 1986. I turned in guns and drugs to end the war on drugs. That's Delegate Stephanie Smith. That's Senator Ben Cardin in 2013. Miss Gion. I gave Senator Cardin in the Democratic Party this in 2013. I'm a whistleblower. I was making a movie about the Democratic Party. That's Judge Cox. That's Chief Judge Mary Barbera. See who that is? All right? That's the grand jury. That's Chief State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby. That's Craig Taylor. Shorty documentary, First Amendment of the Constitution. That's President Biden. That's Governor Hogan. That's Brian Frosh. That's Kathleen Pugh. That's Judge Turnbull. That's Governor Larry Hogan. If Blagojevich can go to jail, so can Hogan. Hogan had this from day one. He had me taken off the ballot in 2014. And that's President Biden. You feel me? One man's garbage is another man's gold. You know what I'm saying? So, Pam Woods. Pam Woods made the movie We Got a Monster. Well, I got a movie called Get Shorty, and it talks about Baltimore. Here it goes. Dwayne G. Davis, Falls Road. In regards to your documentary, I would not be able to appear. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. That's Senator Ben Cardin. And see the date? 2007. See who that is? Brooke Learman. See who that is? That's Governor Hogan. That's me. I'm the cook in Baltimore. Maryland's prison industry. O'Malley and Brown's money machine. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. Shorty_9. You feel me? I ain't changed my number. The video exposes and names the officials. The video exposes and names the officials, and y'all got this. President Trump got this. Xavier Conway got this. Governor O'Malley got this, and Attorney General Snow. All right. Grand jury request. See that? 1402 Lochner. That's where you took me from. But this is where we're going. We're going to the Supreme Court. And that's going to be my main witness, because I'm bringing this to trial. This is for the trial. Ivan Bates, you're my main witness. That's the Department of Justice, Robert Hardin. We talking about racism in the judicial system. That's President Biden. That's President Biden. Got a story? Call Shorty. Everything you got, bring it to court. You freed Keith Davis, you're going to get Shorty Davis a trial. Because we making a movie. All right? That's Marilyn Mosby. That's Ivan Bates. And that's it. A Hollywood production. A Hollywood production. We built for this. And it's all right here. Tells you I was making a movie. Political prisoner, N6528. I'm a whistleblower in the courts and the corruption in the courts and the money you make behind the war on drugs from 1986 to now. So when we go to court on November the 26th, bring my paperwork. Bring everything you got. Bring that smile. Racism don't work without black cooperation. Remember that. Bring that smile.